Welcome to this introduction to AWS Lightsail, a simplified cloud platform from Amazon Web Services. Lightsail is designed to provide the easiest path to cloud infrastructure with predictable pricing. Throughout this video, we'll explore what makes Lightsail unique and why it's an excellent choice for getting started with cloud computing. AWS Lightsail is a simplified virtual private server, or VPS, service that makes it incredibly easy to launch and manage cloud resources without requiring deep AWS expertise. It's specifically designed for developers, small businesses, and startups who need straightforward cloud infrastructure with predictable monthly pricing. Unlike traditional AWS services that can be complex, Lightsail removes the complexity and gives you a user-friendly experience to get your projects running quickly. Lightsail comes packed with several key features that make it attractive for beginners and small-scale projects. First, it offers predictable pricing with fixed monthly rates, so there are no surprise charges on your bill. Second, you can launch instances quickly, deploying them in just minutes using pre-configured templates. Third, the management console is simple and streamlined, making it easy to control your resources. And finally, everything is included in one package. Your compute power, storage, networking capabilities, and data transfer are all bundled together in a single plan. With Lightsail, you have flexibility in what you can deploy. You can host websites using platforms like WordPress or Joomla, or even static sites. You can run web applications built with Node.js, Django, or LAMP stack. Lightsail supports managed database instances for MySQL and PostgreSQL. You can deploy Docker container services for containerized applications. It's also great for hosting game servers, such as Minecraft multiplayer hosting. And finally, you can use it for development and test environments as sandbox spaces for your projects. You might wonder how Lightsail compares to EC2, Amazon's main compute service. Lightsail offers a simplified interface that's much easier to navigate, especially for beginners. It uses fixed monthly pricing, so you know exactly what you'll pay each month. Resources come in pre-configured bundles, eliminating the need to select from hundreds of options. Lightsail is best suited for small projects with moderate requirements. On the other hand, EC2 provides full AWS control with extensive customization options. It uses pay-per-use pricing, which can be more economical for certain workloads, but harder to predict. EC2 is highly customizable and best for complex, enterprise-level workloads that need advanced configurations. Lightsail's pricing model is one of its strongest advantages. You pay a simple, predictable price with a fixed monthly rate that includes no hidden costs or surprise charges. Everything you need is bundled together in one package. This includes your virtual server instances, SSD storage that's already included in your plan, a generous data transfer allowance so you can serve content to your users, and DNS management to handle your domain names. This all-inclusive approach makes budgeting easy and removes the stress of tracking multiple billing components. Lightsail is perfect for several specific use cases. It's ideal for startups and MVPs, minimum viable products, because it allows quick deployment without AWS complexity or requiring large budgets. Small business websites benefit from reliable hosting with predictable costs and easy management. Developers love it for test environments, side projects, and learning platforms where they want to experiment without commitment. And it's excellent for simple web applications that have low to moderate traffic and don't require enterprise-level features or infrastructure. Let's recap the key takeaways about AWS Lightsail. First, Lightsail simplifies AWS for developers and small businesses by removing unnecessary complexity. Second, it offers predictable pricing with everything bundled in one package, making budgeting straightforward. Third, you can deploy your projects in minutes using pre-configured blueprints that include popular applications and frameworks. And finally, it's perfect for simple projects that don't need the full complexity of traditional AWS services. Lightsail gives you the power of Amazon's cloud infrastructure with the simplicity of a VPS provider, making it an excellent choice for getting started with cloud computing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.